Ladies and gentlemen, hoş geldin. Welcome the contingent of Turkish Armed Forces. Pakistan, Turkiye dostluğu yaşasın. Pak-Türk dosti zindabad. Turkish Armed Forces are the world's 8th largest and the 2nd largest standing force within NATO.
तुर्की के इस दस्ते की क़यादत कैप्टन साइगन तरजान कर रहे हैं. Our partnership is not just historical, it is dynamic and forward-looking. Both nations are actively engaged in numerous strategic, economic and developmental projects that promise a brighter future for our people.
Peace in home, peace in world. We are one nation, 2 states. Allama Iqbal found inspiration in the spirit of Turkey when he said, "The land of the pure and the land of the brave. Together we rise, together we pay."
Enduring friendship between Pakistan and Turkey stands as a beacon of stability and cooperation. Long live Pakistan-Turkey brotherhood.
ख़वातीन व हज़रात, अब वक्त है खून गरमा देने वाले गैर मामूली मास बैंड डिस्प्ले का.